Also guys, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you a website that people still use to create their Grok videos for free without even paying for it. So this is what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be showing you this secret website in this particular video, and without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Alright, this is the website we're going to be using. I'm going to be pinning the link to this particular website in the comment section, so just check it out. So once you are here, what you need to do is just to click on the chat now. So once I'm going to just click on chat now. Once you click on chat now, it will take you to an interface where you are going to log in to your account or create an account. Right now, you can choose to log in using any of these ones, but since you don't already have an account, what you can just do is just click on create account. So you can click on create account. Once you click on create account, to bring it to this, so you can just create an account. So to make it easy for me, I'll just use Google to log in to an account. Once I log in, it will take you to proceed from there. So once you log in, this is where it's going to bring you to. So I've already logged into my account. So the next thing you're going to do? You can see we have image gen. We have image gen. We have image studio. We have image video studio. So if you want to generate your image, you can just from here just click here and enter your image prompt, the image prompt you want to do. I already have my prompt, so let me just quickly show you, put in my prompt and show you how to go about it. So here is it. I've entered my prompt. So I've entered the prompt I want it to generate. That's for the image I want to generate. So you can use any of this model you want to. You can choose to use any model you want to use to generate the image. So now let me say, for example, I'm going to use, since I want to use nano banana. Let me just add now to use nano banana, this particular one, and let me use this. Now I'm going to now choose my aspect ratio. So I would like it to be this. Then your choice, you can decide to what I'm going. Okay, this one we are going to be making use of the 1K. So from there, what you just need to do is just click on this arrow. So once you click on generate, you give it a time, it's going to generate your image for you. So let's just wait for it. All right, you can see it has generated my image for me. You can see this is what I now generated. You can see this is the image it generated. So you can see, I think this is super cool. This image is actually very, very okay. So if you want, you can just click on save as to save the image, or you can just, let me close this, or you can just click on this button to download, or from here you can turn it to a video, or you can edit still. If you want to edit the video, you can still do it from here. So let me just download this particular image. So now the next thing we are going to be doing, I'm going to show you how to, in case you want to generate your videos. Now I'm going to go to my videos. Now once you come to your videos, you are going to input your prompts. So I already have my prompts. So what I'm going to do is just to paste in my prompts. So I pasted in my prompt here. The next thing I'm going to do, you can see if you have source, you can, like, probably an image. I'm going to be doing is into this. So let's just see. So you see how it is now. Now you can select your image model here. I mean your video model here. You can select your video model here. Then once you click here, you can choose. There are a lot of models to use. There are lots of models to use and generate your videos. But remember, this video is all about Grok. So I'm going to be using my Grok Imagine. And one thing about this particular tool is that when using your Grok Imagine, it's going to generate for you you can see for you to add. So it's only going to be giving you 6 seconds video. So I think based on the prompt I have here, I think this particular prompt might be longer than 6, but I just want to, for the main sake of this tutorial, I just want to show you how to go, so you know how to generate your videos. So now I'm going from, once I select my Grok Imagine, so you can, from here you can select your source. If you have a source image, you can just select an image. Let me say, for example, I'm going to be bringing in the image. So let me say I'm bringing in this particular image, bringing it in here directly. So now that's the image you generated. So now you can now select your aspect ratio. That means then from here you have to leave it this, because this other one is the pro. You would make use of pro. So I'm going to be making use of landscape. Then the durations, leaving it at 6. Then from here, what you're going to now do now is to just click on your generate. You see your progress, it is generating. So you get notified when it's ready. So that's it, just it. This particular one is generated. So now that is just how you go about generating. Just wait for it to complete the generation. All right, you can see that my video is done generating. It has completed. So I'll be playing this particular video at the end of this video, so you see how it looks like. So right now I want to show you what if I wanted to generate this without using a source image. It's the same thing. So what you just need to do is just for you to just paste in your prompts there. Once you paste in your prompts, just click on the generate. You set all these other aspects. The only thing I didn't do here is bring in my source image. So now I'm going to just click on check rate and allow it to generate by itself. So now you can see I've been able to generate. So you can keep on. So you just wait for it to complete generation, and I'll also show you the output it produced for this. So you'll be seeing, I'll be comparing, you'll be seeing the both videos at the end of this video. So both the one I generated with the image and also the one I generated with just prompt. So you'll be seeing all of them here. So you can see it's even ready. The video is ready, and you can see I'll be comparing both. You'll be seeing both of them at the end of the video. So once your video is generated, what you just need to do, you can just click on any of them to switch to see the particular video. So to download your videos, what you just need to, you can see you have the download button here. You can just click on it to download the video. Once you click on download, you can see it has downloaded the video. Now I'm going to click on the second one and also click on download. You can see that has downloaded the video. So you can see how I was able to generate my images and also my videos using this particular website. And you can see I didn't pay for anything. So you can just keep it generating as much video as you can. So for now, I really I'm not certain about the number of videos you can generate on this particular website. This is at a particular time, but you can see I was able to generate 2 without any issue. So you can just keep trying, and once you hit the limits for that particular day, what you can just easily do, just sign up using a different account and just sign up using a different account. So that's just all about this particular website. So I just wanted to show you all the things you can do on this particular website. So you can just try this website out and let me know your experience in the comment section. Thank you.
Anne, I love you so much. Will you marry me?
And I love you so much. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes, I will marry you.
Yes, great.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.